Installing the forged front carrier block to your Brompton. Use a posy drive screwdriver to unscrew the lever latch, then remove fully. You can now access and remove the retaining plate by unscrewing the 2 screws using a 4mm hex key. The front carrier block can now be removed from the bike. Undo the screw on the underside of the forged front carrier block using a 2mm hex key, then remove fully. You can now remove the lever latch along with the spring. The forged front carrier block is supplied with 2 sets of screws depending on the frame you have. For frames with the head tube protrusion, use the shorter screws, and for frames without the head tube protrusion, use the longer screws. Place the front carrier block on the front frame, ensuring to match the holes. Secure in place, tightening the screws using a 3mm hex key. Torque to the setting listed in the description. Fit the spring on the latch as shown. Slot the assembly onto the front carrier block, ensuring the spring sits in its designed hole. Push and hold the latch, then secure in place, tightening the screw using a 2mm hex key. Ensure the latch operates as it should, then tighten the screw to the torque setting listed in the description. Test you can safely install and remove the luggage from your new forged front carrier block.